In this video, I'm going to be respooling the reel on this Eagle Claw Pocket with an 8-pound line. And the first thing I'm going to do is remove the factory line that came with it and then extend the rod. Afterwards, I'm going to show you my setup for one person, how to keep tension on the line while you're respooling it. After you're done removing that old line, the next step is to open up that bail and extend your rod. Make sure all these guides are lined up. Before I get this all set up, let me show you the rig that I'm working with for my line. Here I got a weight on another rod, and here is the spool, and you want the spool to face in the direction the line is going to be wounded in. I'm going to take the end of this and place it through all the guides and then tie it to the reel with an arbor knot. Once you've stringed your line and made your knot, the next step is to close that bail and start respooling. Make sure there's enough tension on that line. Pretty much it. Continue winding it up and be sure to leave just a little bit of space. You don't want it to go all the way up. And if you can get someone to help you out, it's going to be a lot easier. But for those of you who are doing it by yourself, I guess there are different ways you can come up with besides the one that I showed you here. You just got to be creative. Hope this video was helpful. Until next time.